Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So, we have seen two parts, part 1, part 2 of Credit Cooperative Society. Now, let's have a look how we can disburse loan and how we can do the collection in Jainam Software. So, just have a look. So, from the search bar, I will search F-3. So this is this customer. Let's create the loan. So let's take a personal loan for marriage and let's say 10,000. So this member already deposited. I want to show you F-3. This member, if I go to the passbook, already FD we have received from this member 25,000, and after that this customer is asking for loan. So now let's click to the loan for, let's say, personal loan of 10,000 at the rate of 3%, and let's take for 10 months. Now I will just calculate this. So here some charges I have added that I want to delete from here. Now you can see 10,000 is the pay amount, installment amount is 1300, and for projected interest is 3000. Now let's save this loan from here. So loan number 5 is saved successfully. Now we have assigned this customer to the, if I search this customer F-3, this customer is assigned to this staff, Geeta. Then I will go to the HR management and let's have a look whatever access I have given to this staff. So here you can see this much access only I have given to her. So I will go and log in for Geeta and let's do the collection. So if I go to the employee list, here this login I have created. So I will just copy this and let's go to the employees login. So here you can see this is employee login and this much access I have given. So I will click to the loan collection list. So here you can see 4 loans are due. Now, so this first due I want to receive. So this is staff and staff is receiving by cash 560. So I will just click to the receive. So this, if I go to the accounting, here my cash transaction, here also he can check the collection whatever he has done. So I will go to the field collection, loan collection list, and I will receive 1040 also. So I will select cash and receive. So one by one he can receive. Staff can receive, he or she can receive the amount. So recently we have created this loan number 5. You can see 300 is due. Now he can receive the by bank as well. So bank, just we can enter the amount and receive. So this much collection this staff is done. Now let's go to the back and let's go to the admin login, and from here we can check collection by staff. Just refresh. So here you can see, if I click here, so this staff is done this much collection today. So this collection area is very simple way we can manage in Jainam Software, and credit cooperative business also we can simply manage, and we can save our efforts and time. Thank you friends. Have a great day.